This is Jane. Jane likes fashion design. Her ambition is to be a fashion designer. She wants to take part in the Fashion Design Competition 2016. The theme of this competition is fantastic. Jane was no idea. She don't know what is fantastic. So, Jane decided to go to travel so that she can find some inspiration for her design. Jane took many photos, such as flowers, rainbow, the sky, and others. Jane referred back to pictures that she took, the moon, the sun, or the flowers. Suddenly, she got an idea. She realized that everything in the world is fantastic, and the nature is fantastic, so she might apply the nature into her design. Jean sent her design to the organizer. Jean won the competition! Hooray!